Hi guys, welcome to the Selective Series where I run through one question from a past selective school paper. So in this question we're looking at houses and the order of houses. A street has a line of 5 houses next to each other on one side of the road. The 5 houses all have front doors that are painted a different colour. A student looks at the house from the opposite side of the road. The student labels them according to the colour of the front door and records which houses are on the left and which houses are on the right of each house. Okay, so we have houses on the left. So that we can tell by this table that the most left house must be the blue house because there is no house on the left of the blue house. So blue must be on the most left, followed by red because red only has a blue house on the left of it. The next house would be the yellow house because it has blue and red next to it on the left. Then we have the green house with blue, red and yellow on the left of it. And the very last house we have is the pink house with the 4 houses on the left of it. Okay, now let's take a look at the houses on the right just to be sure that we're on the correct path. So we have nothing to the right of the pink house. That is correct. And then next to the green house, we only have the pink house to the right of it. We have that already. The next house would be the yellow house with the green and the pink house on the right. Green and pink, we got this. The next house is the red house with green, pink and yellow on the right. So yellow, green and pink to the right of the red house. And the blue house has all 4 houses on the right of it. Okay, we got it. So our question is, which 2 houses are next to the yellow house? Well, next to the yellow house is the red and the green house. So green and red, option D. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. And remember, never stop learning.